Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find which Android apps or games are using mobile camera and mobile microphones in the background. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as SS. As you can see, SS. So you can see here the application. Just tap on it, click on install. If you have not installed it, as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you install it. So after installing, what you need to do is tap on open. On opening the application for the first time, it will ask some permissions. Just turn it on or click allow. Now what you need to do here, just select this SS. And turn this on use service. Click allow. Once you are done, you can move back to the application. Now you're good to go. Everything is turned on. As you can see, it's already turned on. Now when you open any applications which uses a camera or microphone, it will indicate. And suppose say I'm opening a camera applications. So on opening the camera applications, you can see here a green dot button on the top right corner. That means this application is using the camera. So in case of like audio recorder, when I open this, so when I start recording, say I'll just click on record, so you'll see a orange notifications in the top above. That means it indicates that this application is using your mobile microphone. So what about other apps, like say if you're using like any social networking apps, they too can use your camera applications or mobile microphones in the background. So if it uses your camera applications, then you can see here a green dot symbol in the top right corner. That means this application is too using your mobile camera applications in the background. So in this way you can easily find out which application is using your mobile camera and mobile microphone in the background very easily. So if you've never heard or never know about this application, so you download it today, and it will be a great useful for you if you want to find out that if some applications or games that you are using is using your mobile camera or mobile microphone in the background. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.